Understanding rockfall netting, a safety shield in mountainous areas. Hello and welcome to our learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very specific, yet important topic, rockfall netting. This might sound technical, but worry not. We'll break it down into simple terms and explain why it's such a crucial safety measure in mountainous and hilly regions. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery of rockfall netting together. Rockfall netting is a protective system used to prevent rocks from falling onto roads, railways, or any areas where rockfalls could pose a danger to people, vehicles, or structures. It's essentially a strong and flexible net made from steel wire, designed to catch and hold falling rocks from steep slopes. This netting acts like a catcher's glove in baseball, stopping rocks in their tracks and providing safety for the areas below. The effectiveness of rockfall netting lies in its robust design and strategic installation. Here's how it works. Absorption. The netting is designed to absorb the energy of falling rocks, reducing their speed and force. Flexibility. It's flexible enough to contour with the landscape, yet strong enough to hold back the weight of the rocks. Durability. Made from corrosion-resistant materials, rockfall netting withstands harsh weather conditions and the test of time. Rockfall netting is predominantly used in mountainous areas, especially along highways and railways, to protect vehicles and trains from falling rocks. Construction sites, to ensure the safety of workers and equipment. Residential areas, to safeguard homes located near steep slopes. The importance of rockfall netting cannot be overstated. It is a critical safety measure that protects lives by preventing accidents caused by falling rocks, saves money by reducing road or railway maintenance and repair costs due to rockfall damage, ensures continuity by keeping transportation routes and construction sites operational and safe. Today, we've learned about the crucial role of rockfall netting in safeguarding lives and infrastructure in mountainous regions. It's amazing how this strong and flexible barrier can provide such a significant level of protection. Remember, safety is paramount, and rockfall netting is a testament to human ingenuity in protecting against the forces of nature. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.